All right, today we are going to go over a few things that you need to do organizationally to be prepared to be successful in this class. So we are going to cover making a Google Drive folder and organizing your documents. And then we're going to go over how to make copies of documents and how to download them as PDFs so that you can upload them for submission. So first, let's start with Google Drive. So you are going to go to your own Google Drive. So drive.google.com. Let me get mine a little larger. And you are going to click the button here that says New and make a new folder. And you can call, I would call this like Asynchronous Chem A or B, whatever semester that you're in. Okay, so I've made this new folder. You can make it a fun color if you want, so that you can find it easily. There lives, actually I'm gonna do yellow. There lives my asynchronous chemistry B. And then I can open this up, and here is where I'm going to save all of the documents that I need for this class. Every time you have an assignment, and you have a lot, it's going to create a copy of the Google document, and you wanna put it into here. So let's look at how that works. All right, let's start with, let's say I'm doing my first unit and I'm going to go into my very first assignment that's not notes. We'll talk about notes in a minute. I click on it and it says, let's see, it looks like this for you. It says complete the assignment linked here. So when I click on the link, it says copy. Do you want to make a copy? I'm going to make a copy of this. All right, here is my copy of the assignment that I have to complete. So I want to put it in my Chem B folder so I can find it. So I click this little button that says move. It's a folder with an arrow. And I want to put it in my Chem B. If that doesn't show up right away, you can go to all locations and go to your drive and find it there. So here's my asynchronous Chem B. I'm going to move it right there. Okay, now it's organized in my Chem B folder and I can complete my assignment. And if I look at my Chem B folder, look at that, there's my copy of the assignment. When I'm ready to submit it, I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go to Download, and I'm going to click PDF Document. Now it's downloaded a copy of this here. Now I have options. I like to also upload it then back into my Google Drive so that it lives there and I can find it easily. You don't have to do that. You can go back to your assignment. I'm going to click Next, and it says complete the assignment, go to File, Download PDF. Great. So now I need to upload my file. It doesn't let me do this because I am I'm just previewing this. But you're going to click the upload file and it's going to open up a folder like this. And you'll go to downloads and that's the very first thing you'll upload. You'll click that, you'll click upload, you'll review, and you'll submit your assignment. This is how you submit all assignments in the class. We don't use Google Drive assignments for several reasons, but one is that when you submit a PDF, there's no changes made after. I can see what you've done and verify that it's complete. All right, so that is submitting our PDFs. The other thing that you have to submit are pictures of your notes. So when you go into your notes, well, first, actually, let me back up. When you have notes in a folder, you'll see them like this, and you can click and watch the notes. So you can watch it here tiny, or you can open it up on YouTube, which is how I suggest you do it. This is muted, so you can unmute it, but you are going to have a notebook or blank paper because it is a requirement that you are taking physical notes. So when you're done with your notes, you'll have them in a lovely little notebook like this. You are going to take a picture of that page of notes. Your notes picture must be legible. I have to be able to see that you have taken all of the notes that I've walked you through. So you'll take a picture of that and then you will go into your assignment and it will look like this. You'll have note submission, and the student version is a file upload. So you can take a picture of it from your phone and then upload the picture here. It must be legible. If it is incomplete or illegible, I will not be awarding points. If you forget how to submit something, you can click into the assignment. It will remind you how to download and submit things, or you can revisit this video at a later time. You can email or you can visit office hours, and I will be happy to help.